world still needs, our world especially needs, the courage of Christians who know that the gospel is good news. They just haven't been told by somebody else that it's good news, but they themselves have inherited it, have experienced it, have read through it, have prayed through it, and I know that this is good news for me and for everybody else. This world needs Christians who know this is good news and that it has what it takes to deal with what is the hollow shell that is our culture. Our culture is weak and broken, and there is only one thing that can fix it. It is the gospel of Jesus Christ, and we are his ambassadors. We continue to pray for courage and boldness. So friends, our courage as faithful Christians is commitment to the glory of God. God is full of glory in himself, and he reveals that glory to us. And we honor that and we proclaim that through our endurance and through our faithfulness. This world thinks it wants to see a modernized and up-to-date version of God, but that God is no God at all. What they need to see is a great and mighty God in a church that will follow him no matter what. And friends, our courage is for the good of our neighbor. Remember how we opened this morning, what we've read through the book of Ephesians. We proclaim this Jesus who conquered death and saved a bunch of sinners. This Jesus who has all authority and power. This Jesus who kills the hostility that this world is perpetually creating between us. This Jesus who is the light of our lives, the light of our homes, the light in our relationships. This Jesus who has defeated the enemy of our souls and grants us life eternal.